So on level 4, it says vinegar, including apple cider vinegar, AVC. You know, if you're a raw foodist and you're eating that stuff, it is not good for your body. Actually, what you are doing is pickling your organs and pulling all the toxins to the core of your organs. You are not flushing them out. If you want to flush out toxins, you have to get rid of the apple cider vinegar out of your body. And on top of that, do not have any kind of vinegar in your body. So, you know, I used to think pickles were healthy. I would eat the raw food diet and I would eat pickles. But the thing is that the pickles have the vinegar in them. The salsa I used to think was really healthy, it has vinegar in them. That stuff is not good for you because it is not flushing out the heavy metals and the toxins out of your body. In fact, it is pulling it into the core of your organs and feeding those pathogens that are in your body. It also says on level 4, fermented foods, that we should not be eating fermented foods. They are actually a survival food. A lot of people think that they are healthy and they're feeding these microorganisms in your body, but my understanding is those, like, you don't need to really feed those microorganisms in your body. It's maybe even a marketing thing. Maybe it got started because there's products and people were pushing products. I don't really know. But fermented foods are just a survival technique. They are not something that we actually should be eating. Fermented foods include kombucha and sauerkraut and coconut enamos, it says down here. Now, I know that I also used to drink that kombucha when I was into the raw food diet, and I thought it was so healthy for me. I actually grew the little things and made my own. I can't remember what they're called, but I would make my own and I would drink it all the time. And then I was not healing and I wondered why. Well, this is one of those things that kept my body from healing and I didn't even know it. And it's really sad because, like, these are all in the health food stories, and I kind of think of like a yoga teacher walking around with them because she's healthy and she thinks she's healthy and she's drinking her kombucha, but little does she know that it's not good for her and it's actually rotting her teeth and pulling minerals from her bones, and it is just not good. Guys, stop drinking that stuff.